Welcome back, Pool Nation. Ethan here from Royal Pools and G2 Outdoor Designs. So you're diving into the decision of getting an in-ground pool this year. Among your many options, vinyl liner pools stand out for several great reasons. Today, we're here to break down the pros and cons and help you navigate this decision with confidence. Vinyl liner pools have carved out their niche as a go-to option, and here's why. So let's talk pros. First off, affordability. Vinyl liner pools have the lowest upfront cost among in-ground pools. This makes them a great option for many homeowners looking to make a splash without diving too deep into their savings. Next, customization galore. If you're dreaming of a pool that fits perfectly in your backyard's unique shape, vinyl liners offer unparalleled flexibility in design, allowing for a wide range of shapes, sizes, and depths. Finally, aesthetic versatility. When it's time for a change, updating the look of your pool is as simple as selecting a new liner pattern. This means you can refresh your backyard's vibe without a full overhaul. Now, with all that being said, vinyl liner pools also come with some drawbacks. First of these is the longevity and maintenance. While vinyl liners start off more budget friendly, they require a liner replacement every 5 to 9 years, depending on the maintenance and water chemistry. This brings us to a crucial point. Vinyl liners are sensitive to chemical imbalances. Unbalanced water can accelerate the aging process, leading to additional costs down the line. Next, durability concerns. Unlike their concrete or fiberglass counterparts, vinyl liners are prone to tears and punctures. While repairable, these damages can be an inconvenience and lead to unexpected expenses. Next in our list is the maintenance over time. As the liner ages, it may develop tiny imperfections that can harbor algae and other particulates. This means more meticulous cleaning and more chemicals to keep your pool pristine. The final con in our list is, well, customization. Say you have a custom vision for your vinyl liner pool. You want a tanning ledge, sweeping corners with no 90-degree angles for your backyard oasis. With all of those customizations, your lowest cost option can quickly become your most expensive. Think of it as building a custom home. The more options you add that the builder has to special order or design will increase your cost. So, with all that being said, was our list what you expected? Dive into the comments below and share your thoughts. Vinyl liner pools are a fantastic option for a lot of people, offering a blend of affordability, customization, and aesthetic flexibility. But again, like any choice, they come with their considerations, especially in terms of maintenance and long-term costs. If you're wondering which pool type is right for you, or you just have more questions about vinyl liner pools, let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. And remember, for more pool insights and tips, make sure to follow us on our social media channels. Your perfect backyard oasis awaits, and we're here to help you create it.